Hello guys, I'm going to share important things about my field related to water management with you in this channel. I will be happy if you like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Well, in this video I'm going to learn how to download data from this site, ERA5, using by Python, CDS climate, Copernicus. In the first step, it is necessary to download these two tools called PyOpenSSL with the latest version and cdsapi with the latest version. So after this download, you should pip install these two tools from your computer, and after this you should make a file with the cdsapi rc format and click write and edit with Notepad+. We have this window, URL and key. URL is a CDS climate Copernicus.eu and key, and your key is your personal access token. Okay, so you should save this and close this window. So after this I want to download my data from this site. I want ERA5 data, this name, okay. Okay, land, ERA5, okay, I found this. Okay, now I want to download. So we should select the data that we need. I want total precipitation January, select all, and so we should select subregion, anything that we want. So I want a net CDF4 and on archive. So we have a API request in this site. So we should copy this. I copy my URL before this video. So I have this. So we can manually change months, day and year. It is so easy. So I choose all months and all day and one time. Okay, and my area. So in the last part of this steps is start debugging and finish. We have downloaded this data successfully. So thank you for subscribe me and like, and if you need help please comment below this site, and okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.